Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Libras. These are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So this is your Wisdom Oracle guidance. So that is a general guidance, guys, and that may clear your doubts or confusions. If you have any, you can watch till the end. And I'll be picking one card from these love messages, guys, at last after the reading. So let's start the reading with the cards for your general energies. So Libras, we have Eight of Moons, Knight of Suns in reverse and Prince of Suns here for your general energies. So Libras, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you are knowledgeable, and you are someone who stands out from the crowd and you inspire others and people look up to you for guidance or support. So you are a very knowledgeable person and people greatly appreciate your skills and talents, guys. And today in your situation, maybe for some of you, maybe there is someone who is not responsible or not responsible like you. Maybe you are someone dedicated or devoted to whatever choices you make for yourself, but this person in your life today, they are they are not dedicated or responsible like you, and they may be someone who is easygoing and who is really fickle minded, and you cannot trust them totally. So, and also, guys, maybe for some of you, you may be traveling for work or it may be a holiday, and maybe you want to take time, relax yourself, take your mind off work. It may be something like a spiritual journey you are going through or you want to go to, maybe relax yourself and freshen up yourself, maybe detox from the day-to-day routine you are going through. It is really stressing for you, all that stress and responsibilities that you have in your work situation. And maybe you have taken up a new job or a new role in your work situation that adds more responsibility to you, and you feel honored that you are in this place, this position, but you don't know where things will go. You don't know how to manage, or you don't know how this situation will turn. So there is some kind of you feel overwhelmed or disappointed in some ways because of this new position or role that you are taking up. And maybe for some of you, I also see that you are being approached by someone, maybe someone interesting is coming towards you. They want to be with you or propose to you. Or for some of you, it may be your energy. You want someone new. You are moving towards someone new and you are planning to propose to them if you are single. Or if you are already in a connection, you are moving deeply with this person, having a deeper connection with them. And for some of you, you want a deep commitment maybe, but this person is thinking they do not want commitment, or this may be your energy towards this connection, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Ace of Moons in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe there are great changes happening in your situation. Maybe you are still worried about your past. So you don't want to make a concrete step in this relationship. So you are still thinking what to do and whether to go with this new love or whether to wait for that past person. But that is what is holding you back, guys, your past or your memories or your hurt. So if you want to move on, you have to let go of your past, Libras. That is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have 10 of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, Libras, there may be certain things working against you or going against you in your situation, in your work, but you have people to support you, people who are truly concerned about you. So if you listen to their suggestions, you are going to come out of a difficult situation in your work, guys, in your work situation. So let's see. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your oracle guidance. So we have one card and it says soulmate. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe sometimes when we meet someone, outright we may feel great attraction towards them. So they may be our soulmate. But at the same time, with someone else, maybe, or some other time with someone else, we may feel anger or irritated when we see them. So even that person is our soulmate, guys. So soulmates are people who are here, who are in our life, who come in our life to overwhelm us with a beautiful feeling called love. So that may also change us or irritate us and hurt us so badly that it breaks us open, and it gives us much clarity to build our new self, to see what we are truly made of, our true intentions are, what we are. It brings that out into light. So those people are also our soulmate, guys. So today you are in the presence of a soulmate, and this person is here just to make you better, so you can feel happy, whether you are feeling happy with them or whether you are feeling sad or stressed with them. They are your soulmate, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your love message for today. So we have one card, you make me feel adored. So that is your message. So this person really feels confident and strengthened when they are with you. That is what they feel with you, guys, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.